Does your head wander off many times during discussions? Do lectures make you so sleepy that you have to search on Google again later in the evening to study at home? Worry not, because we know the feeling as well. Before the start of this short video, please remember that you are not the only one that has trouble understanding this lesson. Remove that heavy thought on your shoulders that you are here watching this video because you are too dumb or stupid to understand your lectures. Everyone struggles, remember that. After you finish watching this video, I guarantee that you will understand consumer products like a teacher, and a wise buyer, and consumer. So grab your pen, paper, and listen. When talking about consumer products, this involves the food and nutrition you eat, detergents and soaps you use, medicines and drugs you intake, building materials you use at home, paper and pulp you use daily, fuel industry you use for transportation, batteries, agriculture, and forensic chemistry. Consumer products are goods and services that are also called final products that are bought and used by end users and consumers like yourself. Food and nutrition are the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies. Every day, our body needs food that carry nutrients. These include fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. The food that we eat is a mixture of various chemicals. By virtue of Republic Act 7394 or the Consumer Act of the Philippines, almost all food products in the grocery store are labeled with nutritional facts. Soap and detergent are substances that when dissolved in water possess the ability to remove dirt from surfaces such as the human skin, textiles, and more. Soaps and detergents are chemical compound or mixture of compounds used as a cleansing agent. Common chemicals used in soap industries are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, lauric acid, palmitic acid, or nucleic acid, while the most important chemicals in detergent are sodium silicate, sodium carbonate, sodium perborate, and various phosphates. Soaps are manufactured in chemical industries through saponification of fatty acids. Saponification is a chemical reaction during the soap-making process in which the building blocks of fats and oils. A drug is a substance that is often considered narcotic, hallucinogen, or a stimulant. On the other hand, medicine expresses a preparation used for the treatment for prevention of disease. Drugs and medicines are made of chemicals which are produced in pharmaceutical industries. The chemical nature of drugs helps doctors to determine how drugs are going to interact with a patient's body. Building materials like wood, cement, aggregates, metals, bricks, concrete, clay are the most common type of building materials used for construction purposes. Chemistry governs the performance of buildings. Building materials play a significant role in improving performance of buildings. Coating chemicals like acrylics, silicones, and urethanes are responsible for reflective roofs, which decreases the heat transfer. The pulp and paper industry makes products such as office and catalog paper, glossy paper, tissue, and paper-based packaging. But paper and pulp industries are facing grave challenges to meet environmental norms. It is because pollutants released from paper and pulp industries, such as sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, carbon oxides, heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury. This is why people demand for high quality and eco-friendly papers. Oil and natural gas are major industry in the energy market and play an influential role in the global economy as the world's primary fuel sources. petrol, diesel, LPO, CNO, kerosene, OFS, hydrogen, and like are all fuel produced from complex refining processes. Today's transportation land, water, and air is possible because of these fuels. Some countries' economy runs on these fossil fuels. These fuels are extracted from crude oil found beneath the earth or oceans. But producing and burning them releases greenhouse gas emissions that cause climate change. As it possesses global consequences, a lot of people are at uproar with this. Batteries are devices that stores chemical energy and converts it to electrical energy. These are used in cars, cell phones, laptops, watches, flashlights, and many other power storage applications. Batteries work based on the principle of electrochemistry. Agriculture is the source of our food supply. It also plays an important role in a country's economy. Agriculture deals with plant nutrition, the interactions between soil and fertilizers added to that soil, as well as the types of fertilizers and how they must be administered to improve plant life, quality of the yield, and the quality of the soil. Without agriculture, we would starve and modern civilization would come to stop. Forensic chemistry. It is the application of chemistry and chemical methods, using modern analytical equipment to assist in the identification of unknown materials found at a crime scene. Some applications include the identification of illicit drugs or toxins, explosives residue including gunshot residue, and synthetic versus natural fibers. Chemical techniques used by forensic investigators are spectroscopy, chromatography, X-ray diffractometry, color test, melting point analysis, and such. So did you get all that? Feel free to go back to any part of the video as many times as you want. Remember to make informed decisions. Bye!